UNBOX Nation, JBL has done it again. Then it came out with a new upgraded version of their JBL Pulse RGB speaker. So if you're interested in Bluetooth speakers with plenty of RGB, then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video, all right? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark from JBL back giving another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, it's your main man Mark, back giving another video. Today we're going to take a look at another one of them Bluetooth speakers from a company called JBL, the JBL Pulse 5. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, now we get out of the way. Whew. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker from a company called JBL. It's the JBL Pulse 5. This is the speaker that's replacing the JBL Pulse 6. Let me give you a few of the specs on here, because it hasn't been out too long. It has eye-catching 360 light show, so you can go all the way around, and has bold sound and deep bass. Also, it's IP67 dust-proof and waterproof. Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Also has 12 hours of playtime. Now, 12 hours, that's gonna vary. It's gonna depend on your usage. It's gonna depend on how long you run the lights and how loud you're playing it, and so on and so on and so on. So, yeah. Also, with this bad boy, you can connect up to two smartphones together. All right. And also they have the JBL app, which we'll go over a little bit later. You can go into the app and you can do some more stuff, play with some more features. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. I've been excited to see it. This is one of them little small type of party speakers. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we got. All right. I'm gonna let you. You can see the box. You see it's got the it's got the JBL Party Boost on here, and that's all into the app. Let's see what else was on the sides. Nothing too much. So let me go ahead and okay, they got it taped open. Okay, that's good. Look, they got tabs on it, so you ain't got to worry about cutting nothing open. So let's go ahead and see if we can pull this tape off. One. See if we get the second one. See here. Well, the tape is on there good. All right. Now you got a little pull tab right here to open it up. Look at that presentation. JBL never disappoints with their presentation with their speakers. I mean, man, this looks cool. Got the sound you can see. All right. Let's see. I think this must be some accessories or booklets. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. All right. As you can see here, we got let's see. Okay, this looks like a charging cable. Let's see what kind of charging cable we got. You got to excuse the noise. The office is right on next to the major highway. Let's see here. We got okay, USB-C charging cable. All right, good look. Let's put that to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's look like nothing else right here. So we got to go to the other side. Okay, the other side you got your booklets. Yeah, you got your booklets and all that good stuff. We're gonna set them to the side right now. Anything else in here? No, nothing else in here. All right, put that down. Let's see, get the star of the show out. Got it wrapped in some nice cloth. Man, this is big. This is way bigger than the Pulse 4 and the Pulse the one that came before then. Because I want to say I had the Pulse 4, and it was nowhere this big. Let's see here. Anything else in here? No, I don't think nothing else is in here. So let's go ahead and get this box out of our way so we can take a look at this beautiful speaker. All right. Move this to the side. Set this down right here. Man, one thing I'm gonna tell you right off the back, this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. I could tell this right off the back. This is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. Unlike that, now. One of the difference I really noticed right off the top is the logo over here. You can see here, the Pulse 4 had like a little smaller logo, and this one has a little bit bigger logo on it. So that's one difference I see right off the back. Also with the size as well. Also this one, you got the little carrying strap on here, and the controls. I mean, it's smooth all the way around. On this one, it has the controls right here. You got your power button, you got your Bluetooth button, and you got your light control button, and then that's your sync button, so you can go ahead and sync it with other speakers, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll check it out some more. I always got the little, it says little pulse right here. I don't know if you can see that. Nice little touch. Got your, and the emblem is a little bit different on this one. Got on the bass radiator. Oh no, on the speaker, it's not a bass radiator. The bass radiator is on the bottom. The bass radiator right here. Got nice rubber, thick rubber feet on here. All right. And it says waterproof, but there's no flap on here. So, who knows? Man, it's looking nice. Let's go ahead and power this on and see if we got some juice. Yeah, that classic JBL sound. Yeah, and it's looking for, it's trying to search for a speaker. But let me click on the light button real quick and see how it see if it go through the modes. All right, I'm not sure what that one is. Looks pretty cool. It's another one. I wonder how many light modes. I'm gonna have to go ahead and check and see how many light modes it has. Looks pretty cool. I like these lights. Looks pretty cool. I mean, like I say, it's way bigger than the other one, and it's got some weight to it too. It's got some good weight to it. All right. But I think what we're going to have to do is go into app so we can know exactly what we're dealing with when we're dealing with the different lighting modes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some copyright-free music, and I'm going to play around with this a little bit more, you know, to check it out before we finish this video. I'm going to test it out a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to the app, and we're going to go into the app, and then I'm going to see, you know, we get listen to some good copyright-free music from Epidemic Sound. All right, hold tight. Okay, let's take a look at the app. It's searching for the device, and mind you, this is the JBL Portable app. They have different apps on the App Store, but this one is called the JBL Portable. All right, so let's go up in here. Let's check out the top right here. You have 3 lines. This lets you know the language, and you can switch speakers and do legal jargon right here. X out of here, and then you have your different light shows right here. You have spiritual, which you can I can't get it to open up right. Oh, okay, that's when you want to edit. Okay, so you have nature, party, spiritual, cocktail, weather, and canvas. All right, let's see what else we have. You have color looping mode right here, and then this is where you can control the slider right here. You can control the brightness of the speaker as well. I'll put it at max brightness, and mind you, max brightness is going to you know, eat up a lot of battery life as well. But also you can set the tempo, the speed of the lights, and you know how the lights change and go into different configurations. You can use this to control to make it do it fast, or you can make it do it slow. All right, and here's the EQ, and this is my EQ setting right here. I kind of like it like it's like the jazz type setting. Got the bass all the way up, but you can move these sliders any way you want to move them, like this or like that, or however you want to do it, you know. And here you have ambient sounds right here. You got the ocean sound. You have, let's see, ocean sounds right here. Oh, I don't want to make them loud right now. Yeah, this is the different sounds right here. So you have, you know, ocean, moonlight, fire, and all that good stuff. And this, you can set how many minutes right here of how long you want it to go. You want it to go the max of 60 minutes or down to 1 minute, all right? And let's see here, feedback. If you want the tone feedback, if you want to hear that the noise when every time you tap in, you know, controlling it, you can leave that on, or you can turn it off, either or. And it's let you know the software is up to date. And this is the party boost, where you can connect more than just more than one speaker together. So that's a pretty cool feature right there. And pretty much that's pretty much it. It's pretty much simple. And like I said, right here, you can go ahead and edit it. You can you can take that off or whatever. You can change the way the preset lighting shows on here are. So you can go ahead and edit out. Say you want to take that nebula off, or you want to put it back on. It's just up to you how you want to have it. So you can do it for each one of them, weather, cocktail, and all of them pretty much. So let's go back here. So what I want to do now, since we've seen the app, and you see the nice little picture of it right there. This is showing how much battery life is here, because I've been playing this bad boy for a minute. But what I want to go ahead and do now, let's go ahead and do a quick sound test, play some copyright-free music from Epidemic Sound, and see how it sounds, okay? Hold tight.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky and vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my waist, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.
Yeah, this, like I said, this is a pretty decent speaker. The main selling point, I believe, is pretty much, the RGB. Let's check out, I should have did this earlier, but let's check out some of the lighting modes. This one is Party. Got it on now. And I'm going to change it to Spiritual. This is Spiritual right here. Let's see here. The next one is Cocktail. All right. And the next one is Weather. I guess it's mimicking like little clouds, or where you see it, like the clouds moving. And then the last one is Canvas. So I'm guessing you can go ahead and painted the way, I don't know what it's doing on this one, but you know, my favorite one is Party. I like to keep it on Party, and it's on a color loop where it's just gonna cycle through all the different modes. But other than that, I think, you know, like I said, this is it's pretty cool. I mean, it's eye-catching, you know, it's pretty cool. And like I said, you know, you got the 360 sound, all right, and then you got, if I'm not mistaken, you got some little lighting that happens right around here. You see that? You have lighting right here at the bottom. That's pretty cool. Because I don't think the old Post 4, I'm not sure if the other one had that RGB lighting right here, but that's pretty cool. But and they got the built-in hook. So other than that, you know, I think this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So, you know, if you're interested in a speaker like this, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information on it, more detailed information. Because like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person, and you know, just, you know, regular everyday person, you know, like to showcase new products like this on the channel. All right, but like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box if you want to get more detailed information, or if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Okay, all right. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell friends to subscribe. All right, it really helps the channel. All right, and like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right, all right. Let's see here. The message for today is be confident and be wise. All right, be confident and be wise. You know, be confident and sure of yourself. You know, and also be wise at the same time. So you can be confident, and believe in yourself and know what you're doing, but at the same time, don't be Mr. Know-It or Mrs. Know-It-All, you know, so be wise at the same time. Think about the consequences of your actions and everything like that. So that's the message for today. Be confident and wise. This is your main man, Mark from Schools and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. It's time to rock out, baby.